My mother was also born here. My dad was born in Mexico. He came here when his father moved here and started working on the ranch where my grandfather was the manager. He got a job there, got the rest of the family work visas. They came here. That's how he met my mom. I started baking when I was 7. My mom got me an Easy Bake oven. And for me as a 7-year-old, I was more interested in why there was a light bulb that would bake a cake but not melt the plastic. So for me, it was like a science experiment. Then I graduated to the big oven and I started making banana bread, oddly enough, out of a Sesame Street cookbook. It was Big Bird banana bread. And then I graduated to cakes, started doing cakes for my family, and then people started asking me to do cakes for their parties. And then I started charging people and realized I can make money making cakes. I got my very first job at a taqueria 2 weeks after my 16th birthday. I worked there for 5 years. I graduated high school, went to MJC. A month after I graduated MJC, I started working at a bakery. I was 19. And then they sold that one. And then I stayed for a little bit after that, and then I decided, people kept saying, why don't you do your own thing? I drove all around Modesto looking for a location, literally all over Modesto. And everything I kept hearing was downtown, downtown, downtown. So I just started literally going up and down downtown looking for a place, and I couldn't find anything. And then there was 2 places that were like already occupied. And I said, well, if they leave, then I'm interested. There were 2 locations. And then one day my friend texted me and said, did you know that place on 16th Street is available? And I literally called that same day. It was only a coffee shop here when I came. So in the back, there was no kitchen. So we had to gut the entire back and have it all redone electrically to support proof boxes, mixers, refrigeration, ovens. We had to have it all redone. In the first 3 weeks that we opened, a lady came in and it was new and she was looking all around and she looked at our wedding cookies and she said, oh my gosh, my grandma used to make those. And I said, oh, my grandma used to make those too. That's why I make them. So she bought some. She bought some other things and we chatted for a little bit and she left. 2 minutes later, she came in with tears running down her face. And she said they were just like the ones that her grandma made. And to this day, she still comes in here. I grew up here. I know a lot of people here. And now that I'm in downtown, I realize that a lot of these people around me were like the parents of people I went to high school with, or are now working adults, same as me. And they're like, I know you. People that my parents know come here. And that is just a huge source of pride for me. I got a rabbit for my 10th birthday. And I can't do anything just simple. It had to have a giant condo and hats and clothing and birthday parties. And so to this day, I still have rabbits. I won't tell you how many.